Alright you guys, good morning. Welcome back. We're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna start treating the rust on the very butt of the van while Travis starts to lay some floor battens to begin the insulation. Hopefully, not gonna make any promises, we insulate the entire floor today. And that would be awesome. That's the goal. How's it going? Hi. Getting the floor ready. Practicing patience. My timer just went off for the rust. You can see how much better it already looks. Might need a little bit more and a little more time. But we're spacing out our pieces for the floor and we have our foam insulation over here. Booty, are you tied up? Always. Alright guys, we're putting a little bit more. The rust remover left some nasty residue, so I just got some disinfectant, some alcohol, and some water. Look at these. Can't see them. Oh. Air fried chicken cutlets and some soda. I'm gonna enjoy this. I hope I'm in the frame. To get a new can. It's a little bit different, but it's about the same product. Another day of insulation and framing. This is the mess of what our van looks like. The reality of it is we're building it in a parking lot outside of our apartment or house. Every time we get in here we have to clean it out and put everything back in. It was a little hard for me to get motivated this morning. It's not morning at all, it's 3 p.m. I don't know about anybody else, but this quarantine has me really messed up. Yeah, I'm gonna start cutting some more foam for some of the missing spaces. Hopefully I can get it finished and all cleaned up. So I've never done anything like this before. I'm really just experimenting. I didn't practice for this video, but what I did was I put 2 pieces of regular computer paper. I taped them down to the floor and together. I'm gonna try to scribe some sort of outline for this wheel well. I have a Sharpie and I have this random wheel drawers everyone probably has in their house. They come with wheels. I'm gonna repurpose it. So I'm gonna put it like this. Against the sheet. It's so cool. So I now measured a square by the dimensions that would fit here. What I'm going to do is transfer the paper over here. But now I need to locate where (6.5 inches). I don't know, somewhere I went wrong. But subfloor down tomorrow and then
heading the other dogs. And Harvey just keeps on going back.
I know.
Not even a little.
So right now we just pulled up all the foam. We're making sure everything is rust-free, primed, sealed. Just double checking everything. We had so many layers of wood go back in. It pulled up some of the plugs and some of the paint. So I just want to make sure it's all nice and clean before we lay down those foam boards.
Okay, we didn't get a good video of exactly what we're doing here, but we used the spray foam. When using the spray foam, you should absolutely wear gloves. Does not come off your skin. So we're spraying spray foam in the ribs that dip down, and we're putting construction adhesive on the parts of the floor that kind of stand up. That way the foam sticks to the adhesive and the spray foam fills in the gaps. A quick tip, if I did this again, I would use the 1x2 battens and only use one of them. And then when placing the plywood over the foam, I think it would compress the foam and make it perfect. Magic.
The moral of the story is don't rush in any of your projects. Yesterday, because we were trying to just get this all done and get it finished, we were rushing and making mistakes, and it was just taking long, and we were getting frustrated. So today I started by myself. I took it nice and slow. I cut out all the foam boards. I made so many better cuts today. Yesterday, not one single piece fit right. We finished by putting foil tape. I can show you a picture of it, but my phone died, so I didn't get any footage of us doing that. And here we actually have put the old subfloor back in. We wanted to see how it would feel, maybe if we were going to use it. It's a 1/4 inch thick, and I think it just has a little bit too much flex in certain places. So we're gonna go to 1/2 inch. Tomorrow I pick up the 1/2 inch plywood, and I think we're just gonna make a fresh new subfloor, but we are gonna use these pieces to trace it. This is where I leave the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit subscribe, like, comment, even share. Anyone who would find these videos interesting. I hope you guys are all doing okay in this quarantine and staying healthy and safe and protecting yourselves, and that's really it. See you later. The spray foam and the adhesive, it's like, I can't even explain to you. On this hand, I peeled some of it off on my palm, and it almost feels like I peeled some skin off.
God, was it?
Can't see.
What were you dancing? Was it Kid Rock?
No, it's painful. The scary part is, this is after I've scrubbed them already.